Here's how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not detecting GTA 5 Epic Games. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. Alright, so the thing is, if I open up Rockstar Games Launcher, on the left hand side in my library, I just see GTA 5 Enhanced. I do not see the GTA 5 Premium Edition, even though in Epic Games Launcher, I've got this in my library, GTA 5 Premium Edition and GTA 5 Enhanced. To fix that, we go over in Rockstar Games Launcher on the top right, press on the settings, then in Launcher Settings General, we scroll down, we see Scan PC for supported titles. Let's press on the scan now. It should show up now in your library. It is possible that you have not yet played the game, and that's why it was not synced to your Rockstar Games library. If it is still not showing up in your library in Rockstar Games Launcher, there's another fix. You can go over to Epic Games Launcher, find GTA 5, right click it, go to Manage, and over here click on Verify the integrity of the files. There's also a third fix. For that, right click this, go to Manage, and then we open up the installation location. Now here, go back, Epic Games, GTA 5, right click it, show more options, rename it to a _ old. Then continue it. You need to close the launcher and start up the Epic Games Launcher again. After that, you're going to see this is now currently says install. So we press on install here, same file folder location, press on install. Now while it's installing, we will pause it and we also have to cancel it. Yes, cancel. Now we go back to our Epic Games folder. And over here, we have got this new GTA 5 folder. We are going to delete it and rename our file that we just made to _ old back to GTA 5. Continue. Go back to your Epic Games Launcher and press on resume. It's going to initialize and verify your files. Now it's going to work with Rockstar Games Launcher. And there you go. And that's it. That's how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not detecting GTA 5 Epic Games. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more GTA 5 related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.